So, how's everybody doing today? Today we are we're doing a gift for a friend of ours that is what's she, 6 months along, 5 months along, and she doesn't like people touching her belly. You know, I know some of you women just don't like people touching your belly, you know, your pregnant bellies and stuff like that, which is all fine in your opinion. You know, I'm fine with that. But we're making her a gift because we have a baby Q. Is that what it is tonight? So we're getting her a shirt that's going to say, "Don't touch my belly." And for some of you that probably don't know, but a few months ago we bought an embroidery machine that we can use in the camper, we can use it at home. So we're at the camper right now, so we are going to use the embroidery machine at the camper to make her the shirt. Anything else? I don't know if you can see anything. So as you can see, I got the machine set up. If you can't see it, I'll zoom in on that. That's not coming real clear. But we struggled with it for about 10 minutes to get the shirt in the right spot. But it does say, "Do not touch my belly." Might even be able to see it better on there. But that's what it says and how it's saved. So basically now all we got to do is push start and let it go. We're only doing one color, so there's no color change, no nothing like that. Not too bad. Here's the design we did. Just use the tearaway. Backing. And after a little trimming and clean up, it's ready to be worn. If you like what I did here, or what we did here, please like, subscribe, and follow. We do a lot of stuff from the camper. We do stuff about our life. We're trying to start an Etsy shop, so this will probably be one of the items that'll end up on the Etsy shop. So I will leave a link to our Etsy shop in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description. And please come check it out. Thanks for watching.